Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I have a Glossybox. How cool is that box? Let's get into it and check it out, see if it's as fun on the inside. I always love the Glossybox boxes, even when they're just there every month, sweet pink ones. They are so reusable. I use them for a million things, but this one is even more fun. Perfectly Imperfect. How adorable is that? And on the bottom, it's got another heart. It's got the Glossybox on the side. So stinking cute. So this is the May box. It is sent to me for review, but because they send it for review, they also send over a discount code. I will put it below with the link. It is Kathrin, and it will get you $5 off your first month's subscription. The subscription is $21. If you pay monthly, you can choose annually. It brings it down to $18 a box. I always love the subscription. It's one that before they sent for review, I chose on my own. Oh my goodness. The top of the box is a mirror. Oh, and it says, "You are beautiful." And then things in foreign languages. I'm going to assume that it says "You are beautiful" in several, I don't know how best to show this, in several languages. I wonder if this peels off. Mirror is a little cloudy, but it looks like, oh, there is. Oh my gosh. There is a cover on it, and when you take it off, it's a good mirror. I'm gonna try and do it, yeah, without, can you guys tell that it's a nice mirror? That is so neat. I am not sure how this box with the mirror in it fits in my life yet, but I will be finding a way because that's adorable. That is what the inside of the box looks like. We have our cute little pamphlet and then stickers, I think. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to show you this. It's always wrapped up so nicely with a pretty ribbon and nice tissue paper, but I think these are stickers. That was an unusual sound. For every rainy day, there's a rainbow. Oh, there's several. Vous êtes magnifique. Yeah, so I'm thinking it says "You are beautiful" in several different languages, but stickers. That's kind of fun. And then when we open it up, ooh, Daily Concepts. Cheating. Daily Concepts. You guys know I love Daily Concepts. That is what we have on the inside. This month is Perfectly Imperfect. On the inside, it will give us all of the information we need on the products in here. Plus, it gives us prices, which I fully appreciate. So first out of the box, we'll just do it since I saw it and we talked about it, is the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. I like these. My husband loves these. So I generously usually share them with him. I don't know, is it generously if you say it with that tone? I'm not sure, but we really like these products around here. And let me just show you. I'm just going to open it up and show you. It's basically a nice scrubby fabric that's over a sponge, and they always come with little, yeah, the little that you can up to your tile or whatever your shower is, marble, or and then this, and it's just a rough scrubby, and it has the little thing that you can hang it from. Doo-dah. And another thing about these products is they have the tag on it. I don't know if I can show you that. And the tag has writing on it, and you'll know that this has lived its full life when the writing on the tag disappears. How clever is that? Very clever. I love the Daily Concept products. You guys know with FabFitFun, I used to buy so many of them in my boxes that I haven't had to buy any for a while, but I don't think I have any more of this. So my husband's gonna be thrilled, and I'll share. Okay, well, I put it back in this bag, but unfortunately I ripped right through the part that says Daily Concepts. I guess I could tell you what the paperwork says about it now that I've given a TED Talk on it. It has a $10 value. Show yourself some extra TLC every time you shower. This body scrubber is made from soft, natural, organic cotton with a soy-based center to create a rich lather when partnered with your favorite body wash. This gentle exfoliation is a great way to wake up and boost your circulation, and it has a $10 value. Cotton. So you're telling me that this scrubby stuff on the outside is cotton? If you get these, let me know what you think. I always assumed it was some kind of almost plasticky. It's really rough, which is the intent. It's meant to exfoliate your skin. But I love that. Yeah, fabric, organic cotton, polyamide, polyester. And then the filling is polyurethane. Okay, that is all very interesting. Next out of the box, we have the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever. And that is what that looks like. I have actually used this in the past. I like clear brow gels. That's what it looks like out of the box. It's a cute size. It has an $8.99 value, and it says the Beauty Crop. BFF Brow Mascara Grow and Groom Brow Gel. Whether you're going full glam or no makeup look, we can all feel a little more confident with well-groomed brows. This small yet mighty gel is completely clear, making it suitable for all hair colors, and a super strong hold lets you style your brows however you want, and you'll know they're going to stay put. Okay, next out I have Aceology. I have tried this brand and like it. Rose Petal Mask, and it is 0.5 ounces, so half an ounce. That is what it looks like. It feels really heavy, so although this is small, I would say it is full. The paperwork says Aceology Rose Petal Mask. From the face mask specialist at Aceology, this hydrating multi-use rose petal mask is perfect for your next self-care day. The rosewater rich formula helps to plump the skin while soothing redness and irritation. Plus, the silky lightweight gel also works wonderfully as a moisturizing sleeping mask. And this has a $19 value. Wow. I'm going to look up the ingredients that are very light pink on white. I will never be able to see them, but I'm going to look it up. And if I can use this, I am definitely going to. Next out, we have Elemis. You guys know I love an Elemis product. This is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, and it is 1 ounce. The Pro Collagen line is by far my favorite Elemis line. I have very sensitive skin, and I find that this line does not irritate my skin. Some of the ranges that they do, this does not. This has an $18 value, and it says part of the cult favorite Pro Collagen range. This luxurious gel cleanser effectively removes daily grime, makeup, and impurities, whilst leaving the skin with a youthful glow. There's succinic acid, lactic acid, and ferulic acid inside to help gently exfoliate and moisturize your complexion. I have used this in the past and haven't noticed any sensitivity with it, probably because it's on there for that long and then you rinse it completely off. I will have to be aware if that's when I go through a slightly red time. But I love the Elemis Pro Collagen range. Okay, I think last, oh, and what that unusual sound is coming from, we're gonna spray paint my room. It is Maria Nila Invisidry Shampoo. That is what it looks like. Stirs up really well. The paperwork says it has a $22 value. I'm gonna look, because some of these don't look full size. I'm gonna look and see if the values I'm giving you are for the full sized or the ones that we are getting. This is 3.4 ounces, 100 ml. This may be the full sized. Maria Nila Stockholm Invisidry Shampoo. Meet your new hero dry shampoo. This ultra lightweight formula is practically invisible in your hair, yet easily absorbs oils, leaving you with that just washed feeling. As an added bonus, the Color Guard Complex also helps to protect your hair from UV radiation. I don't like it when we use the word radiation. Preserving your color for longer. I tell you, if they use the word radiation more often, they might scare more people into using suntan lotion. Okay, let's see what this smells like. I feel like I'm getting ready to do graffiti. Oh, it's very strong. I mean, not the scent, oh. That's nice. It's kind of fruity. Is that grape? No, that's not grape. What do they say it smells like? It doesn't say. It's very fresh and clean. A little fruity. I like it. I will definitely be trying this. So that's a Maria Nila. I think she did something else that I liked a lot too. We got a Maria Nila product in a different box. If you remember what that was, let me know. All right, so that is the May Glossybox. I think it was another great box. So we have the Daily Concepts Body Buffer, this Maria Nila, don't you hate when you draw a blank, dry shampoo, the Elemis Pro Collagen Face Wash, the Beauty Crop Brow Gel, and the Aceology Rose Scented Face Mask. You know what? Let's see how rosy this is. I know some of you have very strong feelings about rose scented. It is sealed. All right. So when you put it on, can you see it? It's right here. It has that nice pink gel look. Let's see if it's truly rosy. Yes, it is. It smells delicious to me. I love roses. Very light. It's almost like putting water on. So to call it a mask is interesting. I'm gonna have to go out and read how you do this because I don't believe this is something you put on and take off because it went into my skin just like water. But it has a very, very floral rosy scent. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. Okay, so that is the face mask that we got. So that is this month's box. Plus we got the cool box which has, let me try and do this, the mirror on the inside. How cool is that? So cool. Okay. Thank you to Glossybox for sending this. Thank you to you guys for coming by to check it out. I love it. It's a box that I ordered before they started sending it, so it was one that I already liked, and I continue to like it, so that works out perfectly. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I hope I see you again really soon. Get out there and enjoy these warm spring days, or is it just me? It could just be me. Bye, guys.